To take notes without unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the screen of memo feature is on. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. And then make sure that the screen of memos option is on. When this option is still off, you can tap the on off switch to turn it on. Next, to use this feature, turn off the screen. And then remove your S Pen. As you can see, a black note-taking screen will appear automatically. Now you can use your S Pen to jot down notes, ideas, or reminder. Once done, tap Save to save your note. Given to the function with screen of memos, you can quickly take note without unlocking your phone. Whether you need to jot down an idea or a reminder on the go, this feature makes note-taking effortless and instant. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.